Hello people, I'm really excited about this find here. It's a big stone structure. I'm going to take you through this a little bit, concentrate on this one. There's a total of 8 of them I've found within about 150 feet of each other, from 50 feet to 150 or so, all on the top of this bedrock mountaintop, very similar to the one at my place that is surrounded by stone circles. And this one's the highest one around. It's at 310 meters, and these are the biggest stones around. Okay, here are the GPS positions of these stone circle sites. This is the one we're looking at now with the drone footage, and I'm going to concentrate on this one. These ones we're not going to look at today, but look at that boulder propped up on the small ones. I will get to all of these eventually, so you might want to hit subscribe now so you don't miss it. This is number 5, number 6, another big propped boulder there, number 7, massive boulders there, and number 8, some more huge boulders. Let's check out the LiDAR now. The LiDAR imagery, thanks very much to Mark in Germany and Francois in Quebec for providing me with these images. This is the first, if you can see my mouse here, this is the first site we're looking at here, site number 1. And then you can see site number 2 here, site number 3. They come out pretty clearly here. Now, I want to point you to, look at the line that these make here. It's kind of amazing. These this straight line here. Now that is north-south is straight up and down, and east-west is straight left to right. So this is some other kind of alignment, but it looks like a really straight line and pretty cool to check out. But mostly what I want to show you on this LiDAR is how you can see these amazing formations right from space. You can't see mine because they're too small, the ones on my land. And here's what's next. Check out this site over here. There are at least 10 of these very large formations. I haven't been there yet. It's deep in the bush, but I am on a mission to go there. So if you're interested in this whole site, I'm going to be putting out a bunch of videos. You might want to subscribe now so you don't miss anything. And please share, because this, I feel like, is the one that could get some real attention here. All right, let's go back to the ground and look at this beautiful structure on the ground. We've got a diameter of this circle, which is probably about 30 feet across. And this mound of loose stones piled here is a work in itself. I mean, there's thousands and thousands of stones to make this mound, which is about 5 feet tall. But then they put these things on top in a circle around it. I mean, this stone here is 5 tons. That stone there is several tons. All in a circle placed on top of the piled stones. So this, to me, is the most exciting thing I've found in my 2 years researching the area. Let's try to figure out more about it. I'm going to shoot as much as I can here of the 7 sites, but I'm concentrating on this one because it is the most clearly constructed site. So there's no more talk about colonial people doing this. They could not have done it. This could only be done with the biggest of excavators, or you tell me, because I don't think it was an excavator making this kind of art back here in the bush.